Let me walk you through a critical analysis of the differences between successful and unsuccessful publishers. Let's dive into what sets apart the winners from those that struggle with Amazon KDP. Here are some pointers to consider when gearing up your books for success. Fiction thrives on ebook sales because they're more accessible and cost-effective for readers. While some claim you can sell books without reviews, it's much easier to make sales when your book has even a few. Reviews provide social proof and give readers confidence in purchasing. Skipping this step just makes your journey unnecessarily harder. If you need guidance on obtaining reviews, I've created tutorials on my channel that show you how to do it ethically and effectively. Book covers are critical, especially in a competitive marketplace like fiction. A successful publisher knows the importance of investing in professional design. Here's the kicker: you don't have to spend a fortune. There are talented designers on platforms like Fiverr who can create stunning covers for as little as $20. Professional genre-appropriate covers could make a massive difference to your books. It's essential to align your marketing and reviews authentically to convert visibility into sales. Another critical point is researching a topic's profitability before investing in writing or publishing. BookBeam is a great tool for analyzing keywords. You can determine if books are performing well and earning a substantial amount of money daily. The bottom line is that successful publishers do the groundwork. They research keywords, invest in professional covers, ensure consistency in presentation, and focus on generating authentic reviews. On the other hand, unsuccessful publishers often neglect these foundational elements, making their journey unnecessarily difficult. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale, learning and applying these lessons will set you on the path to success. Let me share my insights on a few challenges and opportunities in publishing, as well as the differences between successful and struggling books. By diving into these examples, I aim to provide practical takeaways for anyone looking to improve their book's performance. For a non-fiction book, the subtitle is critical. It's where you convince readers of the value your book offers. Without specifying certain benefits in the subtitle, a book can miss the chance to appeal to potential buyers. The key is to always differentiate your book with a clear, compelling subtitles and other value-driven elements. Most people searching on Amazon for coloring books would likely use terms like mindfulness coloring books for adults. Another tip to consider is to be creative with your book title, but try not to disrupt the common search phrases, making it harder for your book to rank in relevant searches. While it's possible to train Amazon's algorithm to associate your book with specific keywords through ad campaigns, that requires effort and budget. Here's a simpler solution. Use a more straightforward title like Calming Coloring Books for Adults when generating titles that meet the criteria of your keywords. This change alone could significantly improve the book's visibility. Another issue with books are the lack of reviews. Reviews play an essential role in establishing trust and encouraging purchases. Without them, even the most visually appealing or well-crafted books struggle to gain traction. Remember, including keywords that align with your niche will help Amazon recommend the book to relevant audiences. The lack of reviews once again stands out as a critical issue. Regardless of how unique or appealing the book's concept is, readers are less likely to take a chance on a book without reviews. For authors reluctant to run ads or invest in marketing, keywords and reviews become even more critical. However, relying solely on organic sales without any promotional efforts is a flawed approach. Successful publishers understand that some degree of effort, whether through ads, social media, or review generation, is necessary to build momentum. A strong subtitle, clear and searchable titles, professional presentation, and authentic reviews are the cornerstones of success. Publishing isn't just about uploading a book and hoping for sales. It requires a thoughtful strategy and willingness to adapt to the market. If you can focus on these fundamentals, you'll set your book up for much greater success. When creating a book for Amazon, especially if you aim for success, it's crucial to use keywords in your title. By doing this, you're essentially guiding Amazon on what your book is about, making it much easier for Amazon to rank your book for relevant searches. This approach significantly boosts discoverability, leading to increased sales. However, if you decide not to use keywords, you'll have to compensate by actively marketing your book. Ideally, you should do both. To achieve substantial monthly earnings like $13,000 or more, Combining keyword optimization with strong marketing is essential. These issues, while common, can be addressed with strategic improvements in both presentation and audience engagement. This dual approach caters to both searchability and audience appeal. A book's quality is evident in its polished cover, engaging interior illustrations, and initial reviews. Many times, the missing link is marketing. Amazon operates on algorithms that assess a book's performance during its honeymoon period, a crucial phase in the first month after publishing. During this time, Amazon shows the book to a larger audience to gauge its potential. If a book generates sales and reviews during this window, Amazon interprets it as a high-performing product, ranking it higher and showing it to even more people. Conversely, if a book fails to gain traction, Amazon deprioritizes it, burying it in the search results. The key to leveraging this honeymoon period lies in active promotion. This could mean informing your social media following, reaching out to your network, and running targeted ads. Even if you're only breaking even with ad spend, the early sales help Amazon associate your book with relevant keywords, positioning it for long-term visibility. Once your book gains momentum, organic reviews and sales can lead to a snowball effect, driving sustained growth. By amplifying its visibility through strategic promotions, your book could achieve significant success. The key is to let readers discover the quality already present, which will naturally lead to more sales and word-of-mouth recommendations. Ultimately, publishing is about more than just creating a great product. It's about ensuring that product reaches its audience. Whether through keyword optimization, launching with a robust marketing strategy, or engaging with readers post-launch, every step contributes to a book's success. For those willing to invest time and effort into marketing, the rewards are well within reach. If you're not currently running ads for your book, now's the time to start. Even a small daily budget can make a difference. Pair that with social media marketing, using platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts can be incredibly effective, especially since these methods are free. Sharing engaging content related to your book can help you reach your audience organically. Readers scrolling through Amazon are often quick to decide. If the title and cover don't immediately communicate the book's essence, they're likely to move on. For newcomers without an established fan base, this SEO strategy is essential to capture new readers. Fiction publishing has its own challenges. Many authors rely on Kindle Unlimited, KDP Select, where they earn money from pages read. To maximize earnings, authors often price the first book in a series low, even at $1 to attract readers. Once hooked, readers are more likely to purchase subsequent books in the series at higher prices. This strategy works best when paired with strong marketing efforts, such as Facebook ads, which are popular in the fiction space. Alternatively, Amazon ads can work well depending on the genre and audience. Another crucial element in fiction is creating a series. Standalone books can sell, but a series builds momentum and long-term readership. Readers who enjoy one book are more likely to continue with the series, generating consistent sales across multiple titles. Even with a great product, success won't come without effort. During the first month, Amazon's algorithm pays close attention to sales and reviews. This honeymoon period is your opportunity to prove that the book has potential. If sales and reviews roll in during this time, Amazon is more likely to rank your book higher, exposing it to a larger audience. However, if you don't capitalize on this period, your book could be buried in search results, making it nearly invisible to buyers. Launching effectively requires spreading the word as widely as possible, reaching out to your network, utilizing social media, and running ads. Even breaking even on ad spend is valuable if it helps to establish your book in Amazon's system. Once sales pick up, the algorithm starts associating your book with relevant search terms, boosting its visibility. From there, positive reviews and word of mouth can snowball into sustained success. Ultimately, whether you're publishing fiction or nonfiction, low-content or high-content books, the principles remain the same. Invest in quality, optimize for discoverability, and actively market your work. If you're serious about building a profitable publishing business, these strategies are non-negotiable. It's not just about creating a book. It's about ensuring that readers can find it and are compelled to buy it. Success requires a blend of creativity, strategy, and persistence, but the rewards can be well worth the effort. Well, that sums it up, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.